In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the incoming call busy problem on your iPhone running iOS 18. Many users have reported not being able to receive incoming calls on their iPhones. Luckily, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve this issue and start receiving calls again without any interruptions. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Apps. After that, tap on the search bar up top and type in Phone. Tap Search. Select it from the search results. Then scroll down to the bottom again and tap Silence Unknown Callers. When this feature is turned on, any calls from numbers not saved in your contacts will be silenced automatically. While this can help reduce spam and unwanted calls, it may also cause legitimate calls to appear as busy or go straight to voicemail. So go ahead and toggle off the switch to turn this off. Then, go back and tap Blocked Contacts. One common reason for this issue could be that the person calling you is on your blocked contact list. Just scroll through and see if the person who is experiencing the busy signal is blocked. If you find their number in the blocked contacts, simply unblock them. To do that, swipe left on their number or name, and then simply tap Unblock. Also, make sure that your phone's Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. This setting can sometimes cause incoming calls to be redirected to voicemail or appear as busy. To turn it off, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center and then tap on this button. Now, if you have any focus modes enabled, simply turn them off. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.